Eyelash cleanser from 3 simple ingredients. You will need a teaspoon of baby shampoo, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 60 ml of distilled water. Baking soda will adjust the pH. It will also help prevent any irritation to the eye. Put a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baby shampoo into the bottle. Then add the distilled water, making sure to leave enough room at the top of the bottle for the pump, and then attach the lid and shake well. I also like to check the pump is working correctly and that the solution is at a good consistency. After I have checked the pump, I place the bottle into a bag to help prevent any of the liquid leaking out while it is stored for sale. I also like to include a cleansing brush for my clients to use. If you are anything like me and sell quite a large volume of cleanser, please feel free to 10 times the quantity in order to make more bottles at any one time. I do this to reduce having to make each bottle up one by one. After I have poured the solution into every bottle, I check that all the pumps are working correctly. And voila, your very own eyelash cleanser. Thank you for watching the Vintage Eyelash Laboratory. I hope to see you again soon.